Welcome to Sristhila Realty Infra. Shadnagar is one of the fastest growing real estate and industrial hubs near Hyderabad, making it a prime investment hotspot. Here are the top reasons why investing in Shadnagar is a smart decision. Strategic location and connectivity. Located on NH44, Hyderabad-Bangalore Highway, seamless access to Hyderabad. Just 30 to 40 minutes from Rajiv Gandhi International Airport. Regional Ring Road, RRR, and Outer Ring Road, ORR, future growth drivers. Shadnagar Railway Station well connected to major cities. Proposed Hyderabad Metro extension, better future transport facilities. Government-backed infrastructure growth. Pharma City and Electronic City, creating thousands of job opportunities. Green Industrial Park and Smart City Plan, boosting sustainable development. Upcoming IT, logistics and business parks, attracting major corporate investments. Proposed amusement parks and commercial zones, enhancing social infrastructure. Shadnagar is strategically located near several special economic zones, (SEZ), making it an attractive destination for investment and employment opportunities. Key SEZs in proximity include 1. Chandanveli SEZ. Hosts major companies such as Amazon Web Services, AWS, Wellspin, and Katera. Significant industrial and logistics hub driving employment growth. 2. Seetharampur SEZ. Home to multiple industrial and manufacturing units. Growing as a preferred location for businesses due to its connectivity and infrastructure. 3. Hyderabad Pharma City, upcoming. A mega industrial park aimed at boosting pharmaceutical and biotechnology industries. Expected to attract global pharma companies and create thousands of jobs. High real estate appreciation and investment potential. Affordable land and property prices lower than Hyderabad city. Fastest growing property market, prices expected to rise 3x 5x in 5 to 10 years. Gated communities and housing projects, upcoming premium residential projects. Ideal for long-term and short-term investments, high resale and rental demand. Growing employment hub. Industries and MNC warehouse, Amazon, P&G, Johnson & Johnson, etc. Emerging IT and industrial corridor, more job opportunities for professionals. Upcoming SEZs and business parks contributing to economic growth. Developing social infrastructure. Schools and colleges, top educational institutions setting up campuses. Healthcare facilities, a new hospitals and medical centers being developed. Retail and entertainment, shopping malls, supermarkets, and multiplexes coming soon. Cultural and recreational attractions. Kanha Shanti Vanam, home to the world's largest meditation center, this spiritual city offers a serene environment for meditation and self-discovery. Proposed amusement park. Plans are underway for one of Asia's largest amusement parks in Shadnagar, promising to boost tourism and provide recreational options. Hyderabad's Nehru Zoological Park to the Kammadnam Forest block near Shadnagar, approximately 3 kilometers from Shadnagar town. Zoo parks are a significant part of wildlife tourism, offering visitors. Lakshmi Mega Central City is a residential development located in Nandigama, Kothuru, within the Ranga Reddy district of Telangana near Shadnagar. This project offers residential plots, providing opportunities for individuals to build custom homes in Hyderabad metropolitan region with budget-friendly and affordable investment option. Beside National Highway facilitating convenient access to Hyderabad and other major cities. Organic development, growing location in HMR, Hyderabad metropolitan region, limits only on NH44 in and around Shadnagar. Why should you invest now? Prices are still low, early investment means higher returns. Major infrastructure developments, strong government support. Rising demand for residential and commercial properties. High job growth in pharma, IT, and industrial sectors. Strategic location near Hyderabad and airport. For land parcels and real estate services, please contact us Sristhila Realty Infra. Masthan Rao Chundi 7702291122. Address: Villa number 138, Magdha Village, Gandipet Main Road, Kokapet, Hyderabad.